Welcome back, guys. I'm Steve, and today we are in the tech room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be walking you through the best Eufy home security devices. There's something oddly comforting about knowing your door is locked and everything's quietly watching the right things. I spent some time with Eufy's security lineup, and a few of these devices genuinely changed how my home feels day to day. Let's get into details. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. It's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time, so again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products featured. So, let's get started. The fifth Eufy home security device on our list is the indoor Cam S350, priced at $139.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. First off, it's got dual cameras working together to give you full 360-degree coverage, which means you're not getting those annoying blind spots you usually deal with. The main sensor shoots in 4K UHD, and you've got an 8x hybrid zoom that actually holds up pretty well when you need to see details across the room. I tested it as a pet camera, and the tracking is solid. It follows movement smoothly without that jerky robot feel some cheaper cams have. The AI recognition is where it gets interesting. It can tell the difference between humans and pets, so you're not getting bombarded with notifications every time your cat walks by. For parents using it as a baby monitor, the resolution and night vision are legitimately good enough that you can see everything clearly, even in a dark nursery. It runs on Wi-Fi 6 with dual band support, so if your network can handle it, the stream stays stable without constant buffering. However, it's a plug-in unit, so you're tied to an outlet, which limits placement options. Our team recommends this for high image quality indoor monitoring. The fourth Eufy home security device on our list is the S380 HomeBase, priced at $149.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. Think of this as the brain for your whole Eufy ecosystem. It's not a camera itself, it's the hub that all your Eufy security devices connect to, and honestly, it's kind of a game changer if you're going deep with their products. The big selling point here is local storage that you can expand up to 16 terabytes, which is insane. You're basically running your own little security server at home without paying monthly cloud fees, and everything stays on your network with advanced encryption. The setup is pretty straightforward, and once it's running, all your compatible Eufy cams, doorbells, and sensors talk to it instead of constantly hammering your router. This actually helps with network stability if you've got multiple devices. The local processing also means your AI detection and facial recognition happen right on the hub, so response times are faster and you're not streaming everything to the cloud just to get a notification. Here's the catch though, you need to already be invested in the Eufy ecosystem for this to make sense. If you only have one camera, it's overkill. Our team recommends this for people building out a multi-camera setup who want full control over their data and hate subscription models. The third Eufy home security device on our list is the smart Lock C33, priced at $169.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This is a full replacement lock with an integrated handle, so you're swapping out your entire doorknob setup. The fingerprint sensor is built right into the handle, which feels pretty futuristic when you're just grabbing and unlocking in one motion. It reads fast too, like under a second most times. The cool part is, it's got Wi-Fi built in now, so you don't need that home base we just talked about to control it remotely through the app. You can unlock it a few ways: fingerprint, app, keypad code, or old school physical key as backup. The auto-locking feature is clutch if you're someone who constantly forgets to lock up. Just walk out, and it secures itself after whatever time you set. It's rated IP53 waterproof, so light rain and dust aren't going to kill it, though I wouldn't install this on an exterior door that gets hammered by weather constantly. Now, battery life is decent, but you'll need to swap them maybe twice a year, depending on usage. Our team recommends this for those who want biometric entry without juggling keys or phone unlocks constantly. The second Eufy home security device on our list is the Video Doorbell E340, priced at $179.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This one's got a trick up its sleeve with dual cameras. You've got your standard front-facing camera for seeing who's at the door, but there's also a downward-facing camera specifically for package delivery monitoring. That delivery guard feature is actually useful. It watches your porch and alerts you when packages arrive or if someone's messing with them. Both cameras shoot in 2K resolution with color night vision, so even in low light, you're getting clear footage without that washed-out grayscale look. It's battery-powered, which means installation is super easy since you're not running wires through your wall. Just mount it and you're done. Battery life varies based on activity, but expect a few months between charges. It works with that HomeBase S380 we covered earlier for local storage, but you can also use it standalone with cloud options. Two-way audio works well for telling delivery drivers where to leave stuff or scaring off porch pirates. The dual camera setup is smart, but that package camera angle is fixed, so depending on your porch layout, it might not capture everything perfectly. Our team recommends this for those who deal with deliveries often. The best Eufy home security device on our list is the SoloCam S340, priced at $199.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. The standout feature here is the solar panel built right in, so theoretically, you never have to charge it if it gets decent sunlight. It's got 360-degree pan and tilt coverage, which means no blind spots around your property. You can control it through the app and sweep the whole area. Runs on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and like the other Eufy stuff, no monthly fees for basic functionality, though you can pair it with that HomeBase S380 for local storage if you want. Video quality is solid for outdoor use, motion tracking works well, and the AI detection helps filter out false alerts from trees or cars passing by. The wireless setup makes installation flexible. Mount it wherever you get good sun exposure and Wi-Fi signal. It's weatherproof, so rain and snow won't be issues, and the night vision holds up for monitoring your driveway or backyard. Solar charging works great in sunny climates, but if you live somewhere cloudy or get harsh winters, you'll probably need to manually charge it occasionally. Our team recommends this for people who want true wireless outdoor coverage without running cables and get reliable sunlight year-round. And there you have it, folks, the best Eufy home security devices. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Steve signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great.